Kind. Someone who cares about others and wants to help. My sister is very kind. She always helps everyone. Honest. Someone who tells the truth. I am honest. I don't lie. Bossy. Someone who always tells others what to do. I don't like working with John. He's too bossy and never works as a team. Funny. Someone who makes people laugh. My dad is funny. He tells good jokes. Lazy. Someone who doesn't like to work or do things. My sister is lazy. She never cleans her room. Friendly. Someone who is nice and easy to talk to. She is friendly and always says hi to new people. Rude. Someone who is not polite and does not show respect. It's rude to talk when someone else is speaking. Hard-working. Someone who works a lot and doesn't give up. He studies every day. He is very hardworking. Shy. Someone who is quiet and doesn't like speaking in front of people. She doesn't talk much because she is shy. Confident. Someone who believes in themselves. My mom is confident when she sings. Patient. Someone who can wait and stay calm without getting angry. My doctor is patient. She answers all my questions. Thanks for watching.